If you've ever opened OneNote and wondered why the top menu looks smaller or different than before, you're probably seeing the Simplified Ribbon. In this video, I'll show you how to switch from the Simplified Ribbon to the Classic Ribbon in OneNote in just a few seconds. This is a quick fix, but it can make a big difference if you prefer the full set of tools always visible while you work. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, look at the very far right corner of the top menu bar, also called the ribbon area. You want to find the small downward pointing arrow icon. It may look like a tiny chevron or a little V shape, and it's usually sitting at the far right end of the ribbon. Once you see it, click that icon. This opens the Ribbon Display Options menu. From here, you'll see the different ribbon layouts you can choose from. To bring back the full toolbar, select Classic Ribbon. This will expand the ribbon and show more commands at once, which is helpful if you want faster access to tools without clicking through extra menus. If you ever want to switch back to the cleaner, more compact view, you can come back to the same menu and choose Simplified Ribbon instead. That will collapse the ribbon back down into a single line and give you a more minimal workspace. So the process is really simple. Go to the top right corner, click the arrow, and choose Classic Ribbon. That's all it takes to change the OneNote ribbon layout and get the interface the way you like it. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more OneNote tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.